my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Teacup Tarot. And in today's video we are looking at messages from your spirit guides. So today when I woke up in the morning, for some reason I just felt good. I just felt relaxed, I felt happy, and I was energized. And I just knew that since we were heading into August, the month of August was going to be something else. I just have a good feeling of August, So I thought, when I was sitting in my meditation with my angels and my spirit guides like I do every morning, I spoke to them and I told them that I wanted to channel messages from them today that would give you the message that you need, that would make you feel better, that would make you feel happier, and sort of messages that would motivate you towards moving into this August energy. And just to make you feel good and happy and just have that positive outlook about August. Okay, so keeping that in mind, I shuffled the cards and you have the result in front of you. And of course, when you have messages like this, you need that extra pile. So again, I was guided today to take that extra pile. So I will give you some time to choose whichever pile that speaks to you the most based on the feathers or the beautiful images of our guides here today. And we shall start off then with the very first one, which is pile 1. Hello my beautiful pile 1, and if you've chosen this pile, these are your messages from your spirit guides today. So let us just see what the first one is. And you have the swan spirit. Before we start this video, I just want to ask you, do you know how beautiful you are? Do you know how amazing you are? Do you know how much joy you bring to the world just by being you? That is what I want to say to you today, because that was the first message that came to me. Also, what I really get here is, you need to really look within yourself, because you're clearly so much more than what appears on the surface. Like, you have so much more to offer to the world than what you currently are doing. So really go within yourself and sort of look at what gems you keep hidden within yourself, because those gems need to come out. The world needs to experience your gift in all of your glory. Because you, my friend, are glorious and you have a lot to offer to the world. But you keep it hidden, so just bring it out in the open is the first message for you from your spirit guides. And you're just beautiful. I just want to take this time to remind you that today. Okay, so really look within yourself. The next one that we have is bright future. So if you have been worrying currently about certain situations, especially probably financial situations or situations related to career, you have nothing to worry about. Because no matter how things appear on the surface right now, everything is going to work out just fine. You have a bright future. You have Goddess Lakshmi appearing in front of you. And she's bringing that prosperity with her. She's bringing that abundance with her. But what she's reminding you is, you need to remind yourself that you are very capable of attracting that abundance into your life. And that you deserve this life is also something that I'm getting. So don't really stay in that energy field of worry so much, and transfer yourself to the energy field of abundance is what I'm getting here. Because she's very keen to enter your life very soon. So there is a possibility you sort of, have like a negative self-image about yourself, like you feel like you don't deserve it. But I'm here to remind you, along with Goddess Lakshmi, that you are worthy, and surprises. The next card is worthiness. You deserve it all. There is a possibility that in the current situation, this abundance is something that you cannot see. But that is because there is something that you're hiding within yourself. There are some talents that still need to find the surface. So it's time to sit with yourself and really have that honest conversation about yourself, that what more can you bring to the table, that you're keeping it hidden within yourself. You deserve all the amazing things in your life, and they're just waiting to happen for you. Okay. And the next one is a message from your angels. Now this is from one of the newer decks that I've recently purchased. Now you have Archangel Michael once again protecting you. Our very amazing Mikey is here again. Now what he's saying is, I am blessed with deep understanding. That is what he wants you to understand. He wants you to understand that you have a clear view of truth. And the message is, and I'm just going to read it now. I am grateful that I have mental clarity. My spiritual life is full. I love to share my blessing with others, and I have great poise and grace. You definitely have it, because we clearly see it here. So again, you know, this is like a deep understanding. So for the deep understanding, you need to deep dive within yourself so that you sort of reach this truth, you know. And you need that mental clarity, which I think is slightly missing right now. So that seems to be the key ingredient here. Coming to the next one. You are worth what it is that you desire. You are worthy of all the blessings that you're about to receive. Because for a couple of you, I get that you've really worked hard for it. And you've been consistent about it is also something that I'm getting. And because you've been working so hard for it, possibly it hasn't been coming, or you don't see it coming, and you're starting to question if you deserve it. My answer to you is definitely you deserve it. And it's waiting for you to happen. I think this is all about just placing yourself in the right mindset is what I'm getting here. The moment you start going in that direction that I deserve this abundance, and abundance comes to me frequently, I'm an abundant being and this is an abundant universe, things will sort of start changing for you is what I'm getting here. Okay, so clearly great things are meant to happen in your life, and if you've been worrying about that abundance, it's surely coming. And the last that we have here is a letter from your spirit guides. So let us see what it is that they have to say to you today. So what they're saying is, dearest wonderful you, to help you manifest a life for the highest good, we invite you to examine your deepest desires once again. Imagine all your desires, no matter what kind, like magic sea pods in a basket glowing with infinite potential. Look closely at each one. Are you afraid that some may bring you too much attention and invite negative reaction from others? Is change too daunting? Are you afraid to stretch and grow? Let yourself be led forward and let the seeds of positive intentions take to the wind. Your desires count and you're worthy of them again. They are essential for co-creating your world. Did you ever consider that when a desire comes from deep within you, it might be from spirit, moving you to create something beautiful to share with others? Some desires are infused with miraculous powers to move the heart and influence the world in ways you cannot possibly know. We know you and love you so deeply and are happy to support you. So once again, I think the answer is very clear, and I love it when, you know, everything just comes together and speaks together, because the message is just flowing very beautifully here. You need to look within yourself and just do some little bit of work there. But abundance is within reach. And if you're getting an inspired idea to do something, make sure you move towards it, because your spirit is really behind you. And you have Archangel Michael here with you. You have nothing to worry about. And Goddess Lakshmi is just about to enter your life. So just prepare yourself for her, is your message for today. I will leave you with that, and I just hope you have a wonderful day and you are moved towards abundance, and you just have that abundance soon in your life. I shall see you in my next one. Bye-bye. Hello, my beautiful pile 2. So let us see what messages you have from your spirit guides today. Okay, so the very first message comes from the wolf spirit. I love the wolf spirit. Like, the wolf spirit is my spirit guide from the animal world. Okay, so what the wolf spirit speaks about, it's firstly talks about being a member of a pack, like finding your community, finding your tribe, and really working as a part of the tribe is the first thing that I'm getting here. And the second message that I have here is to turn your knowledge into wisdom. So you obviously have a huge plethora of knowledge, but possibly you're not really using it in the right direction, or you're not using it the way it should. What I really get here is you possibly have a lot of ideas with you, but you're not taking action on those ideas. And which is why possibly, you struggle a bit sometimes to live your best life. So for you, the message is very clear. In order to live your best life, you need to convert that knowledge into wisdom. You need to convert that ideas into actionable things, is the message here. Possibly with the help of somebody is also what I'm getting here. Okay. The next message here is prosperity, and probably as you do that, probably as you turn your knowledge into wisdom, you will then have that abundance pouring into your life. So I think the universe is just about ready to do that. It is just waiting for you to use your knowledge and convert it into wisdom. To apply your knowledge is what I'm getting here. And then be open to receiving. The key word here is be open. So if you're getting opportunities in your life currently, new opportunities where you just have to stretch yourself slightly beyond your comfort zone, be a little open to that is what I'm getting, because there is a possibility that that could get you the prosperity that you seek in your life. The next one that we have here is alchemy. So you have the Midas touch right now. So anything new that you touch will turn to gold. So every new project that comes to you that you want to start, because it is speaking to you, has the potential to really become something big. So this is like a magical moment right now. So just follow your passion is what I'm getting. Follow your dreams. Follow your ideas. This is a great time to really bring your ideas into action is what I'm getting here. Okay. The next one here is, now this is one of my newer decks that I recently received, and this is one of the crystal ones. Okay, so let us see what it is saying to you. Are you focused on romance right now? So for a couple of you, maybe your focus is on romance. Decide to create happiness and harmony and see an increase in loyal and caring friends in your life. We were just talking about your tribe. So your soul tribe might be coming in. Decide to accept a love in your life, allow the development of a new romantic relationship or the rekindling of an existing one. So definitely for a couple of you, this could speak about a romantic relationship, possibly an existing one becoming deeper, or possibly inviting a new person into your life. Okay, but just being open to that possibility that something wonderful will happen to you. Especially with regards to people, okay? So this could be for a couple of people, your soul tribe, and for others, this could possibly be your soulmate, okay? Now, you have to take this, how this applies to your life. The next one that we have here is from our flowers. So you have prosperity can be assured if you care well for your tomorrow. So for a couple of people, of course, the message is that you need to be open to receiving. But for a couple of others, this could also be how you treat money right now. So possibly for a few of you, you could already be receiving a lot of abundance, but your expenses are a lot more. So then you need to be a little bit wiser about it and possibly, make those investments for a stronger foundation for a future. Possibly even if you're in your 20s, even if you're in your 30s right now, start planning for that early retirement. It's never too early. So this is like planning for wealth is what I'm getting here. Planning a legacy is what I'm getting here. Okay, so the actions that you take right now in the present moment will really pay off tomorrow. So look into investments is also what I'm getting, because anything you touch now will turn to gold. Of course, you need to be wise about it, but I think you have that wisdom. So using that wisdom properly to really build the life that you want is what I'm getting here. Okay. And the last message that we have is a letter from you from your spirit guide. So let us see what they have to say to you. Dearest you, all your prayers are heard and mirrored back to you from the unseen realms. Be grateful. Praise things before they manifest and always ask for the highest good. When you plead and beg, that will bring you only more reasons to plead and beg. So you need to ask like you are a child of God, and you need to ask like you deserve it. Instead, offer your prayers as sacred gifts and as a testament to your faith in the higher power. Open up and let spirit move through you and comfort you. So again, we have the message of opening up. Once you open up and let spirit move through you, you will just be ready for that everlasting joy is what I'm getting here. In this moment, your prayers are being answered for the highest good of both you and all life. Sometimes what you pray for is not supposed to happen for you, and your prayers will be answered in surprising ways. At this moment, we are listening intently in your prayers and want you to know that your highest good is our priority. So you already have a team looking after you. They're already looking at what is best for you. So you're really taken care of, and what I sense is your spirit guide could be as protective as the wolf. You know, a wolf always looks after its pack. So your spirit guides are like that. They're really looking at your future, and possibly because of which they are asking you to sort of, plan for it so that you can have a better life tomorrow. And they are with you for the whole thing. Okay, and they're ready to pour that prosperity into your life. So I just hope you now convert the knowledge that you have into wisdom and really work towards a good life for yourself. Okay, and I shall leave you with that, and I shall see you in my next reading. Bye-bye. Hello, my beautiful pile 3, and let us see what messages your spirit guides have for you today. And the very first thing that I get is bring a gentle touch. And what I get here is bring a gentle touch to people you come across. Like, be gentle towards somebody is also something that I'm getting. Especially your relationships, especially people in your closer circle. They might be doing the best they can is what I'm getting here. But also you have to be a little bit gentle with yourself, and especially with the way you speak to yourself is what I'm getting there. So overall, you just need that gentle and caring and just that beautiful energy right now in your life. And you yourself can get that for you. Self-care is also a message that I'm getting here. So are you taking care of yourself? Are you resting well? So if you're tired, if you feel drained, make sure you're being gentle with yourself and take that little break, okay? And if you're working extra hard towards something, you can expect a miracle. And especially if you've been praying really hard for something, Mother Mary brings a message here that your prayers are being heard and are being answered. In the most unexpected ways is what I'm getting here. And Mother Mary again is the most gentlest and the most beautiful energy there is. So I'm not surprised she's like chosen to show up in your reading. And she is ready to bring that miracle into your life. Okay, and I think you're just about ready to receive that miracle. Waves of prosperity. So this can be in the form of new opportunities. This can be in the form of a gift, like an unexpected gift coming your way. This could also be in the form of exciting new opportunities that bring a lot of blessings with it. But whatever it is, I think you've done the inner work, you've done the hard work, and because you've put in so much, now it's almost like miraculously abundance is showing up in your life. Miraculously, prosperity is washing in. Okay, so I think it's just a good phase that you're entering into your life. And I think your spirit guides, what I'm hearing is they're telling you you deserve it. You deserve it is what I'm getting here. And also what they're reminding you is take that break. You worked hard enough. Let us do things behind the scenes is also something that I'm getting. Okay. So the next message we have here is from one of the newer decks, and this is from Archangel Gabriel. So again, this is the messenger. We have, I relax my body, mind and spirit to meditate regularly. Clearly, my lovelies, you need to be gentle with yourself. Great ideas are constantly flowing into my mind. It is fulfilling to follow through on creative thoughts and manifest my reality. I take enthusiastic action. I am productive. Of course, you need to be a little bit gentle with yourself. I think you're just being moved towards a beautiful life, a life of abundance and prosperity. Also, I think this is a new phase of new work coming in. So before that phase begins, rest up is the message here. Okay. So the next one that we have is from our flower spirits, and the message is the answers and truths are always within. So your angels and your spirit guides are basically telling you whenever you are in doubt, look within. And because this is about answers and truths, and here as well you had the message of great ideas constantly coming to you, I get a sense that spirit is helping you behind the scenes with ideas, newer ideas. Now, these new opportunities is you creating opportunities for yourself as well. You being an entrepreneur, you starting your own business, you starting something on your own for a couple of you. For the rest, of course, working with a collective is also good. But work with people who bring you joy, who bring you happiness and who bring you peace is also another message here. Okay. And we'll take one more message, which is a letter from your spirit guides. So let us see what it is that they have to say to you. So what they're saying is, dearest you, we have something exciting to share with you. You are a manifesting master and you don't even know it. There will always be enough of everything that you need in your life. Money, opportunities, love, kindness, go wherever you like. Guidance will always be a part of your life. Have faith and be open to the many ways in which you will experience prosperity. So be open to abundance and prosperity. Spirit is the source of your supply, so it is unlimited supply basically. The universe is always reflecting back to you what you believe. So whenever you fall into the insecurity, you will be shown an illusion as if your fear was real. But the truth is that the universe is your natural state. Abundance is your natural state. If you can imagine something consistently as truth, you can and will create it. You are so on the right path now. Keep believing. And then the seeing happens. So whatever that you choose to believe in right now will manifest in your life. So like I said, you are a creator of your own destiny. Okay, and your spirit guides are always with you. Okay, the answers are within you. The ideas that come to you, they are divinely sent your way. And those can actually be new opportunities. But either way, things are going to be in place now almost miraculously. But I feel you deserve those miracles because we all do. So enjoy this phase of your life, okay? I shall see you now in my next one. Bye-bye. Hello, my beautiful pile 4. And let us see what the messages are for you, because I'm always very curious what pile 4 comes up with, because you guys are not regulars, you see. Okay, the very first message here is you see clearly now. So definitely you might have done a lot of reflection, or you might just have come across that aha moment. You've reached your aha moment. You know, that moment that just clears everything in your mind. I think you've reached now. And because you're seeing things clearly, you sort of know what the next best step is to take. So spirit is clearly with you and they are showing the way to you, and they're helping you see more clearly. They're helping you with understanding situations that you might not have otherwise understood. but they're giving you the gift of clarity now, is what I get here. Okay, okay. Now this is spooky. You guys are always spooky. You have two of the same messages. So this is inner wisdom. You know what to do because you're seeing things clearly. And you also have the inner wisdom. So now that you're seeing clearly, you are ready to take that next step. You don't really need anybody else to tell you what to do now. Just whatever you want to do next, just rely on yourself. Rely on your judgment here, because you're going to be on the right track right now. Okay. Let's take the next message. Here we have empowerment. You are more powerful than you realize now, because you've worked, you've done the inner work, and you have that clarity. Because once a person has clarity of vision, clarity about where they are in life, and clarity about what they want when it comes to their life, they are just incredibly powerful. And that is where you are at. And I just feel like people are now going to be looking at you to guide them, because they possibly see you as the all-wise one. Okay, and you're very, very powerful. It's a very, very divinely charged moment is what I'm getting here. And Spirit has you back. The next one here is from my Crystal Oracle, one I recently acquired. Now this is the Red Tiger's Eye. What does it have to say? Do you need some motivation? Do you find your mind wandering when you're trying to stay focused? If so, you need to find your passion and begin experiencing the rewards that come with living it. Do what you love. Prosperity is yours, but you must take action. So what I'm really getting here is that you've obviously started seeing things more clearly, and possibly because of that you've come to a conclusion that you need to follow that inner voice now. And what I'm getting here is, along with the inner voice, you need to follow your passion. You need to follow your curiosity is what I'm getting here. Because it's your curiosity that is going to take you towards very deep rewards in your life. Your prosperity is going to come from following your passion. So whenever you need that motivation, look within and seek clarity is another message here. Okay. You are clearly very, very blessed. And I just feel like you guys are very intuitive as well. So you sort of, get your answers intuitively. You might also be a pile very closely working with the spirit guides is also something that I'm getting here. Okay. The next message is keep going, keep growing, be unstoppable. So keep going. It's the message. Because you are ready. Clearly, you are empowered. So follow your passion, follow your curiosity and see where it takes you. Because even if, there's one thing, people usually really worry about failing at something. But what if you fail? You're going to learn something. And because you've learned something, you're going to grow as a person. And nothing you learn in life is ever wasted. It's like, maybe 10 years later, when you look back, you can connect the dots is what I'm getting here. So keep learning and keep growing. Because all the experiences that are happening in your life currently are going to come in handy at a later point is what I'm getting here. So keep growing and keep learning is the message here. And follow your curiosity. Never stop following your curiosity. Pile 4. Okay. And next we have a message from our spirit guides here. A beautiful letter. So let us see what it is that they have to say to you today. Okay. Dearest you, pump up the music, bang the drums, get on up and start that hustle towards your goals and dreams. There are times to stay still, but this is not one of them. Now is the time to take that first move. Say yes to life, pick up that phone, make that decision and take that one step towards the gods or you or us, the spirit guides of course. You can take a step towards me as well. Expect a cascade of changes, good news and opportunities to show up as if by magic. We know it's really spirit and all of us moving things around for your benefit. The point is that we are saying go for it. Go for it. You have the clarity. Take positive action towards your dreams. Even if the outcome isn't exactly fit for your agenda, it will all be orchestrated by spirit and arrive in divine appropriate timing. Don't you just love how it works? We love you so very much. So again, your message is the same. So that is what they're telling you. Don't be afraid to learn new things. Don't be afraid to move towards newer directions, because what I feel is you guys are lifelong learners. And you just are very wise people. You know, it's almost like what I get here is you are meant to be an elder in your tribe tomorrow. You are meant to lead a lot of people. And because of which, the more you know, the better it is. Because you are like going to be an oracle for the world. Your wisdom is going to be very, very important for the world tomorrow. So gather all the knowledge from various sources. Learn as much as you can. This can be with regards to your career. This could be with regards to your personal life. Or if you are one of us, one of, the light workers, people who are into spirituality, people who are into teaching others, spiritual coaches, you have to keep your journey of learning intact. You never should stop learning. Because the more you learn, the more others will benefit from it tomorrow. You have a lot of gifts to give to the world. So keep learning. And maybe that is something you're beginning to see now. That the world is looking up at you. So you need to prepare yourself along with your spirit is the message I'm getting here. Pile 4. You definitely show up for a reason in every reading. So yes, keep learning, keep growing, and be unstoppable. Because anyway, nobody's gonna stop you. Your spirit guides are with you. I shall see you in my next reading then. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.